If you're searching for a projector that solves space limitations without sacrificing image size, the ViewSonic PJD8633WS stands out as a practical and efficient solution. This is a short-throw WXGA projector designed for environments where distance is limited but clarity and brightness still matter. The key highlight here is the short-throw lens. You can position the projector close to the wall or screen and still achieve a large, immersive image. That setup dramatically reduces shadows and glare, especially during presentations. In classrooms and conference rooms, this means smoother delivery without constantly stepping into the projection beam. The native resolution is WXGA at 1280 by 800 with a 16:10 aspect ratio. That extra vertical screen space makes it especially useful for business presentations, spreadsheets, and educational content. Slides look sharp, text remains readable, and diagrams maintain strong detail even when projected at larger sizes. It's a smart balance between performance and cost efficiency. Built with DLP technology, this projector delivers solid contrast and vibrant color performance. Images appear punchy and well-defined, which helps keep attention during meetings or lectures. Motion handling is stable, so video clips and animations play smoothly without distracting blur. Brightness is another strong advantage. With high lumen output, the PJD8633WS performs well in rooms with moderate ambient light. You won't need complete darkness to get a clear image, making it ideal for real-world office and classroom conditions where lights often remain on. Connectivity options are designed for flexibility. HDMI support allows quick connection to modern laptops, streaming devices, and media players. Additional input options support older hardware, which is important in schools and business environments that use mixed generations of equipment. Switching between devices is simple and efficient. Installation is relatively straightforward. Keystone correction helps adjust the image if the projector cannot be placed perfectly straight. While precise alignment is always preferred, this feature gives extra room for adjustment. The compact body also makes ceiling mounting or desk placement convenient, depending on your setup preference. Audio is handled by a built-in speaker that provides clear and adequate sound for presentations and standard video playback. It's not meant to replace a dedicated sound system, but for meetings and classroom instruction, it performs reliably without the need for external speakers. Fan noise is noticeable during operation, as expected with bright DLP models, but it remains within acceptable levels for professional environments. Switching to Eco mode lowers noise output and extends lamp life, which can reduce long-term maintenance expenses. For institutions or businesses operating daily presentations, that matters. Durability and reliability are key strengths. ViewSonic has established itself as a trusted name in projection technology, and this model reflects that experience. It's built to handle frequent use while maintaining consistent performance over time. For home users with limited space, the short throw capability can also be appealing. Small apartments or compact rooms benefit from the ability to project a large screen image without requiring significant throw distance. While it does not offer full HD or 4K resolution, it remains perfectly suitable for casual streaming, sports viewing, and gaming sessions at an entry-level scale. Overall, the ViewSonic PJD8633WS focuses on practical performance. It combines short throw convenience, bright output, clear WXGA resolution, and dependable DLP technology into a compact and professional package. For classrooms, offices, and small presentation spaces, it delivers exactly what is needed without unnecessary complexity. If you're planning to purchase the ViewSonic PJD8633WS WXGA 1280 by 800 DLP projector in black, you can find the direct buying link in the description to check current pricing and availability.